The wait of Meghalaya, which is eagerly waiting for the rain, is over now because the monsoon has knocked in Meghalaya for the last 2 days and it is raining well.But Meghalaya residents breathe a sigh of relief due to the rains. While rains become a problem for some areas of Shillong city, due to lack of good drainage system in these areas, the problem of water logging on the roads arises. And flood-like situation arises even in light rains. This is the area which is adjacent to the banks of UMukhrah river. A similar sight was seen on Friday also when the roads turned into ponds due to rains.
You should have stuff with you.